In today's video, we will take out the tail light of 2012 Toyota Corolla. First, we will open the trunk. Notice there are 3 clips that we will take out from the interior quarter panel side. Then one clip on the bottom side also needs to be taken out. Using the door upholstery remover, we will take out all these clips one by one. Once we have taken out all those clips, notice the fabric has a space where we can put our finger. Grab the fabric from the top side and drag it all the way to the point where you have enough space to take out screws for the tail lamp. In my case, one nut was covered with a plastic clip. Just take it out using the door upholstery remover. We will take out the first nut with a 10mm wrench. There are 3 nuts in total. Notice we just need to turn the wrench once and the nut will loose within the first attempt. Later you can just use your fingers to take the nut out. Same goes with the third nut. Loose it with the wrench first and then take it out using your fingers. Makes the process much faster. Final thing left is the plug, which is right in the middle. To take it out, we will push and hold the middle tab and then pull the plug outwards. There, we took out the plug. Now we will rock and roll the tail lamp until it loses its grip. We'll keep on doing the same thing until it completely pops out. That was it. We ended up taking out the tail lamp completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.